Find the x and y intercepts and graph your points. We have 2x plus 4y equal to 12. And we are asked to find the x and y intercepts. To find x intercepts first, treat y as 0. Then to find y intercepts, treat x as 0. So we are going to say at x intercepts, y is 0. Substitute 0 for y here. What do we have? I will have 2x plus 4 into 0 equal to 12. 4 times 0 is 0, so it is gone. Therefore, divide both sides by 2 to get x. Therefore, my x-intercept is going to be 6. You also say at y-intercept, x is a 0. Put 0 for x in this same equation. That means I have 2 into 0 plus 4y equal to 12. 2 times 0 is gone. Divide both sides by 4 to get y. 4 divides 4. Our y is going to be what? 3. Alright. So you can then write out your points. For the first one, let's call it P1. Our P1, x is 6 and y is 0. You write like this, 6, 0. Then for the second point, let's say P2, y is 3 and x is 0. So you say x is 0, y is 3. Now looking here, x will always come first. That's why I am writing x values first. Y will always come second. This is y value, this is y value. Now having gotten the points, the next thing we are going to do is to plot the graph, which is the second instruction. I don't need anything at the negative sides since all I have, they are positive. So to plot, we consider the points we have 6, 0, 0, 3. For the first one, I have x at 6, y at 0. So the 0 is the origin. That means we are plotting it on the Cartesian plane. We are going to be plotting it on the x plane, okay? Since y is a 0, no value for y, the point will be on the x plane. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make an asterisk or a dot on the line. Then for the second point, x is a 0, y is a 3. So it's going to be on the y plane since x is a 0. So this is here. This is 1, 2, 3. Then join it with a straight line. Okay, so this is the graph of this equation.